How to fix Snapchat bad quality. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search here for Snapchat. Open the Snapchat and scroll down and go to storage. Here you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop, click also OK. And now what you should do, you have to go to this option notifications, you have to disallow it and allow it, and then you have to go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.